What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. Today we're going to be doing some DoorDash. I've never done this before, so this is going to be my first time doing anything delivery related. I have the DoorDash bag there. Downloaded the app maybe like 8 months ago when like COVID first hit, just to like maybe get something on the side, since I was like, you know, COVID hit and all the jobs closed, so I just applied, but I never tried it. And so today I'm actually going to try it and see how it goes. So my weapon of choice today is Ruby. So this should be interesting. So let's see how it goes. Alright, so first stop, we had to put some gas in. So I've never used this, so the only reason I'm even doing this is because I got a notification that said if you do 10 deliveries you'll get $200. So I'm like, shoot, let's try it. So I'm gonna hit dash now and let's see. It says select end time, so I guess, I don't know, what do I put? 2 p.m?
No,
2 p.m?
or 3.
2 p.m. Apparently there's nothing yet. So
We'll just have to drive.
I guess we'll just have to drive or something and wait. I guess we'll see what happens when I get my first order. So you can cut the camera. Oh wait, never mind. It says first order delivery McDonald's, $2.50. Should I accept it? Yeah.
Sure.
Alright, let's see. First order, let's see, accept it. Big Mac and 4-piece McNuggets and a Happy Meal. So, alrighty, so let's go pick this up. First order. Woohoo! Gonna get paid $2.50.
Yay!
This thing is change of plans. They had me go inside, so we got it. It says please confirm the following items. Confirm you have multiple quantities. Well, I'm not gonna open a bag, so I hope you have your 3-piece McNuggets and a Happy Meal because I'm not opening your bag. So confirm. Gotta let them know we're here. First order complete. That wasn't that bad.
Cool.
50. Sweet. We just got $2.50.
Cool.
Now we need 9 more orders and we can get our $200 and call it a day.
Alright, we got our second order to McDonald's again. A lot of people like McDonald's.
Alright. Second delivery done. Well, I need to make my presence known. Let them know I'm leaving. I mean, I already got paid, so.
They're gonna kill us.
I wonder what he thinks.
I like these obnoxious people.
We took a little break, got something to eat, and then we're back at it. This is gonna be our third one?
Our
Third one, yeah. It's gonna be our,
fourth one. This is our
this is gonna be our 4th delivery. And it is 2:20, and DoorDash is telling me to pick it up by 2:25. So, yeah. 2:25, here we go. Alright, update guys. We are on our last 10th delivery and we're done. So after we're done with the delivery, I'll show you guys how much I made and if I'll do it again. So that concludes it. We are done. 10 deliveries, and we are here to see the results. So we started at 1 o'clock, basically 12:54 or whatever, 1 o'clock. It's for 5 hours. I would say 4 hours because we kind of stopped for some food and something to eat. And it said we did 10 deliveries at $57.55. So if you did the math, 57.55 divided by what? 4 hours. Let's say 4 hours. That's $14.38 an hour. It's okay. $14 an hour. Would I do it again? Absolutely not. It's just way too much. 5 hours. It's like 5 hours, 4 hours driving. It's cool. It's cool for a little side thing, but honestly, I just got enough money to fill up my tank of gas. I only did this because they was doing the 10 deliveries for $200. I was like, sure, let me make 200 easy bucks on whatever I make extras, like gas money. So, would I do it again? Absolutely not. You'll probably see me do it again if there's another incentive, but DoorDash is not the way, guys. It's not the way. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching.